this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Google Drive and Google Classroom on a shared iPad. When you have to use an iPad that other students can use, it's important to know how to log in to the Google Drive and Google Classroom apps, and then also how to log out of those apps so that your account is set up just for you and that you're not accidentally going into someone else's account. The first thing that I recommend you do is to take all of your Google Drive and Google Doc apps as well as Google Classroom and put them into a folder. So you're going to press and hold until the apps wiggle and then start dragging them on top of each other. When it makes the folder, you'll be able to name it, and I'm going to recommend that you name it Google. So I'm going to go ahead and just add the rest of my Google apps into this folder. And now we're ready to start using the app. And I can just click on the home button to stop the apps from wiggling. So I'm going to go into our Google folder and I'm going to sign into Google Classroom. It doesn't matter which of these apps I sign into. If I go to Google Slides, you'll see it's going to prompt me to log in by clicking on the Getting Started button. And the same thing is true of the other apps. So I'm going to go ahead and sign into Google Classroom now. So I've just signed into the Google Classroom app, and it's going to show me a list of the different classes that this account is signed up for. But you'll notice that if I go into the folder that we've created, if I click on Google Drive and then the sign in button, the account that I'm signed into will be available now, and I can click on it and open up Google Drive. If I go into any of the other apps, the same thing is true. By clicking on Getting Started, it presents me with the account that I need to use, and I'm able to access all of my documents. So signing in to any of these apps will sign you into the rest of the apps. Now I'm going to show you how to sign out so that at the end of any time of using a shared iPad, you'll be able to clear out your account. So let's do it from the Docs app. If I click on the three lines in the corner, I'll see my account, and then I can click on the name of my account, and then I have to click on Manage and then click Remove. I'm going to show you this in another app like Google Classroom, where you'll see it's pretty much the same process. So I click on the three lines, I click on my name. In this case, I have to click on the little down arrow and then click Manage Accounts, and then click Manage and Remove. And I'm just going to show you then from the Google Drive app. One more time, I look for the three lines, I click on my name, I click on Manage, and I click Remove. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this account. And what you'll notice now is that if I close it, the app is ready for signing in. And if I go into any of the other apps, these also will ask me to sign in. So that's how you log out of any of the Google Drive or Google Classroom app from an iPad that's shared.